This is the upstairs indoor air handler. Da, 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 da. That's the filter. It's dirty. That's the plenum. That's the air supply plenum. And it leaks. I got a picture of it. You can kind of see where it's not actually attached real well in there. They put some mastic around it. They tried, I guess. I guess they did that. There's the pan. It's full of water. So something's not draining right. Okay, that's water. I don't see a care and use manual. The data plates are on the other side, so it took me... I'm gonna have to get back to you on that because it's installed backwards. How are you gonna service this guy? Where's the gas valve? Oh, it's on the other side. Where's the refrigerant lines? Oh, they're on the other side. Where's anything? How do you open it up to get to the furnace to change the motherboard and the controls? And how do you work on the fan? Oh, it's on the other side. There's no way to get over there. Well, you crawl over there, crawl over that insulation, get around there. You just can't do it. You just can't do it. Then you got a hole in the chimney. You've already seen this. Come around here. I'm getting better at it. All these wires and stuff. I'm getting better. I got some practice. There's the furnace fluid. It goes in there. This is where you service it. That's where all the business is. That's the business end of it over there. Is there a platform? No, there's not a platform. Oh, look there. There's an open junction. Open electric junction box right there. Ooh-wee. Let me look. See something twice, see something else. Right there. That's an open junction box. So anyway, the fluid comes in here. Putting out heat and exhaust and carbon monoxide and all those horrible things. Comes out. You don't see a flue in here, do you? You don't see anything. I'm dancing around this, okay? So give the inspector a break. There's no flue in here because that flue pipe terminates down here somewhere and it exhausts right into the attic. So this is messed up all kinds of ways. All kinds of ways. Also, well, I got some still images. There's going to be more on the report than this. There's got to be more on the report than this. But I can't give you a video of it because I can't get over there to work on it.